Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 4th of January 2026. So I'm going to start today's video with a look at some of the weekend's watchlist stocks before getting into the regular content, starting with Reddit, which is ticker RDDT. So currently we've got a sort of semi cup and handle pattern, more of a Minivini 3C pattern, what we call a cup completion cheat, as it's not a full cup and handle pattern. It's been moving higher in stage 2 for a little bit and then started to pull over, started to drop off. And if we go to the weekly chart, you see it started to form this cup and handle pattern through that period. So it's, as I said, it's not quite a cup and handle pattern. It's a bit shallow in terms of the right side of the cup. If we zoom in on this a little bit, get a better picture of this. What we go up to 10, so we can see more of that, maybe 11. Just zoom across there. So this is the area that I'm referring to. So as I said, it's a little bit of a shallow cup and hand. You'd ideally want the cup to be a bit higher. So it's more of a what Minivini calls a cup completion cheat. So if we come back into the daily chart here and we drop down to the ATR band, you can see the daily close on Friday here was above the 1 ATR level for the first time in a little bit here. So it has been pushing up above it and then dragged back below the last couple of weeks as it consolidated for a few weeks here. So you can see we've got a little bit of VCP in the near term here on the intraday chart. So dropping down to a lower time frame, you can see that a little bit more clearly. So you can see how it's tightened up a little bit and then started to pop out again on Friday. So looking for further continuation in this one at the moment. So a push up towards the previous highs up to the sort of 280 area on this. From a weekly chart perspective, obviously it's up near its all-time highs already and already in stage 2. So current stage 2, we've seen has had a max of 103.34%. So previous stage 2 ran for over 214%, and then 2 prior to that, we both had over 50% moves. So it's had consistently good stage 2 advances throughout its history since the IPO back in March 2024 there. So again, looking for further continuation. However, if we come back to here, you can see the stage 4 level currently around the 180 area. So if it did drop back down through this area, then we could potentially start to see it turn towards stage 4 at that point, as it has been consolidating and going sideways for multiple months here. So this stage 2 could quickly turn into stage 3 and then drop off into stage 4 if it fails to push higher from this point. So at the moment, looking for continuation, but as I said, if it starts to push back through this area down here, then we could start to see a change in its fortunes and turn off towards stage 4. Rocket Lab. So one of the themes from the weekend scans was the space stocks. So a number of space stocks. We've got rare earth minerals as well, uranium, and a few other themes from the more speculative areas that were had a strong start to the year. So Rocket Lab, one of the main stocks in the space theme, you can see making a rebound attempt after pulling back through the week after Christmas. So looking for further stage 2 continuation on this one. Go to a weekly chart. On this, you can see it's had an exceptional stage 2 run since breaking out. So it started to move out into stage 2 down, what was it, 17th of June, around there. So you can see it's had some exceptional run, 1,685% run since breaking out, moving into stage 2 over the last few years here. It did pull back, attempt to break down, so a failed attempt lower here, rallied back up again and made a continuation attempt. So further pullback into stage 3 territory and has made yet another stage 2 continuation attempt. So continues to grind its way higher after moving from all the way down in the below $4 up to current level of $76. So looking for further continuation on this one at the moment. Again, it starts to drop off below the 21-day here, the 50-day, we start to see these lost, then it could quickly turn back into stage 3 again. Stage 4 level currently at the $40 mark, so quite a long way below at the moment. You can see 47% down to the stage 4 level currently. Next up, REMX. So I mentioned rare earths minerals a minute ago. So this is one of the ETFs that tracks those stocks. There's not a huge amount of stocks with those. There's lots of the rare earth stocks are actually mined by the various gold and metals companies, and base metals companies. So they don't have a lot of individual stocks for those. So this covers some of those in a more broader context. So REMX, Van Eck, Rare Earth and Strategic Minerals ETF, you can see pushing to new highs here. So at the moment, so above the 180R level, been in stage 2 for a little while, since back in early part of July there. So just have a look at the weekly chart. You can see it had an exceptional breakout into stage 2, started to increase in volume dramatically as it pushed higher in stage 2. We've had the recent consolidation here and now making a further continuation move. So after breaking out of this broader base structure and starting to push higher, so looking for further continuation on this one. Stage 4 level back down at 55 currently, but we did start to lose the 10-week. This one would be of concern in the near term. So around the $70 level at the moment with the 50-day moving average there. So if it started to drop back below that, then that would be a change of character as it's been consolidating. So we've had a bit of VCP and then continuation. So looking for a push to the highs and beyond.